Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 14.2, we are going to continue our focus on summarizing informational text. This time, however, we will be engaging in critical summary, where you will not only condense the main points of the original content, but also include an analysis or judgment, either supporting or opposing the ideas presented. The short article we are going to read has to do with motorcycles. And people often have strong opinions about them. Some think they are great and fun. Others think it is dangerous. But let's see what the article says, and then you will be tasked with stating what you think about the information shared in the text. Let's begin. I'm going to read the article, and you will follow along. Motorcycles, fun and fascinating machines. Motorcycles are known for being fast and exciting. These two-wheeled vehicles have been around for over 100 years and are a popular way to get around. Many people love riding motorcycles because they are fun and make you feel free on the road. You probably know motorcycles can go very fast, but did you know they are also fuel efficient? Motorcycles use less gas than cars, which makes them better for the environment and saves money. They are small and easy to park, which makes them perfect for crowded cities. Some motorcycles can even travel over 50 miles on just 1 gallon of gas. Motorcycles come in many shapes and sizes. Some are made for long-distance trips, while others are built for speed and racing. There are also motorcycles called dirt bikes that are designed for off-road riding on rough trails. No matter what kind of motorcycle it is, each one is made to be strong and fast. While motorcycles are fun, they can also be dangerous. Riders need to wear helmets and other protective gear to stay safe. Accidents can happen, especially if a rider is not careful or if the weather is bad. Still, millions of people around the world enjoy motorcycles for travel, adventure, and sport. Okay, let's discuss a couple of questions related to the text. The first question is, what do you think? Are motorcycles exciting or scary? The article states that motorcycles are known for being fast and exciting. They are exciting and fun because they make you feel free on the road. If you have ever been on a motorcycle, the wind wraps around your entire body as you ride, and it almost feels like you are flying, but sitting down. So this might be why the article makes this point about it being fun and exciting. The second question is, would you ever want to ride one? Now, if you have never been on a motorcycle and you are working with a class or partner, pause the video now and discuss this question with another person. Okay, I get it. Some people would not want to ride a motorcycle. Maybe because there is a danger when riding a motorcycle and people get scared. As for me, not only have I been on a motorcycle, I've owned one for a long time. Yes, it is dangerous, but it is also an exciting feeling to be on the road. So for me, I would love to ride a motorcycle again. But what about you? Do you think it is scary? Or do you think it is exciting? Now, your task is to write a summary on this article. However, you are asked to take a position. Do you think riding a motorcycle is scary or exciting? Include your opinion in your answer. Pause the video now and write your summary in your textbook. When you finish, share your response with your teacher, your class, your tutor, or even with me by writing it in the comment section of this video. Fantastic! You are definitely on a roll and making great progress. If you haven't got your textbook yet, please be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com and order your copy now. Don't forget to like and share this video. New to the channel? Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.